In this video, we're going to talk about the slope-intercept form of linear equations. We have this coordinate plane system on the board right now. Take this line as an example. This line crosses the y-axis at this point. Assume this point has the coordinates of 0, b. This line also passes through this point. The vertical distance between these 2 points is called rise. The horizontal distance between them is the run. The slope of the line is the ratio rise over run. If this point has the coordinates of x2, y2, and this point is x1, y1, then the slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, the slope-intercept form of linear equations is y equals mx plus b. This is the slope, and this is the y-intercept. It is called the slope-intercept because you can easily identify the slope and y-intercept just by looking at the equation alone. To truly understand how useful this formula is, I got some example problems for you. A line passes through the points 0, 3 and 2, 4. Write the equation in slope-intercept form and then graph. I'll start by drawing the coordinate plane system, of course. Plot the point 0, 3 and the point 2, 4. Connect the 2 points by a single straight line. The slope between 2 points is given by the formula y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Say this is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Substitute the coordinates, we get 4 minus 3 divided by 2 minus 0. The slope is 1/2. The line crosses the y-axis at 3, so b is equal to 3. The slope-intercept equation is y equals mx plus b. Just plug in the values for m and b. The equation is y equals 1/2 x plus 3. Next, find the equation of the line with a slope of 3 and y-intercept of 5. Graph the line. Okay, the slope is given as 3, so m equals 3. The y-intercept is given as 5, so b equals 5. The slope-intercept formula is y equals mx plus b. Plug in the slope and y-intercept values into the equation. We get y equals 3x plus 5. That is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Next, let's graph the equation. I'm going to draw the coordinate plane system. The y-intercept is 5, which means the line crosses the y-axis at y equals 5. This point has the coordinates 0, 5. The slope ratio is rise over run. We already know the slope is 3, but 3 can be written in 2 ways as a ratio. It can be expressed as 3 divided by 1 or negative 3 divided by negative 1. Either way are correct, so it's up to you. But say we stick to positive values. Each time we rise 3 units up, we move 1 unit to the right. Starting from the y-intercept, move 3 units up, and then move 1 unit to the right. Where you end lies another point along the line, which is the point 1, 8. Finally, connect the points by a single line. The graph of the equation y equals 3x plus 5 is shown. Next, graph the equation 2x plus 3y equals 3. Let me copy the equation. We got to change this into slope-intercept form by isolating the variable y. Transpose 2x to the left side. Equation becomes 3y equals negative 2x plus 3. Divide both sides by 3. The slope-intercept form is y equals negative 2/3 times x plus 1. The slope is negative 2/3. The y-intercept is 1, and this y-intercept corresponds to the ordered pair 0, 1. Now it's time to graph the coordinate plane system. Plot the y-intercept 0, 1. Then the slope is negative 2/3, which can be negative 2/3, or 2/-3. Again, both are correct. But say we choose the first one. From the y-intercept, move 2 units down and then 3 units to the right. Mark another point here. Now you can draw the line. This is the graph of the linear equation.